I'm out here charging my i3, getting a little juice, and it's just plugged into the wall there with the charger hanging on the ground, and that's where the charging handle sits as well. So we're going to fix that today with a $9 piece of kit. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Brown Panda here. I'm out here with my little i3 charger if you're charging a car at home, probably something just like that. And it works fine, but when I'm done with it, guess where it goes? Right there. And put a little planter stand where I can actually put it. But I always wanted to hang it up here on the wall, have it nice and safe, squared away, protecting it from corrosion, all that kind of stuff. So I found something that's super cheap that I think will do it. Let's check it out. And here is this amazing magical device. I picked it up. $9. Looks pretty good. It's not even a 3D printed piece of material. It's actually molded or however they do that. And you can see the receptacle here so that you can plug the charger in here, which will keep those terminals from corroding as well as hold it in place. You can see that there will be some screws that go in the top to hold it in place and then a hook to hold the cable. And it actually comes with the screws too. I even dropped these and they're little black caps that cover the holes once you get it in. So 3 screws will hold this sucker in place. I'm going to install it now and try it out. All right, now that I've removed the charger, I can actually just slide it in here, I think, right? Just like this. Oh, look at that. Hangs just right there. And then I can take the cable and clean that up and have that hanging right there. The other thing I want to say about this clip right here is that it actually has a little notch right there. So if I take my charger and plug it in, it hooks in there. So even though it's pretty loose, it's not going to fall out because you actually have to release it to get it out of the holder, which is pretty nice. Nice little design. Pull it out, charge up my car, put this back. $9 keeps it preserved, handy, convenient, easy to access, and most importantly, maybe clean. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.